Morning children. Today let us discuss case study problems, areas related to circles. Diwali celebration. In a Diwali occasion, colorful rangoli is formed by using different colors. Answer the following questions. You can see the figure, then you will understand what is the question asked. You have to go through. This is the figure given to you. You can see the rangoli. Now let us see the questions. Here we have the question. Answer the following question. Area of the sector OCD in cm square is. Options are there. 4 options. We have to find out the correct answer. Area of the sector OCD in cm square. Let us check what is area of the sector OCD. Here you have the figure. Area of the sector OCD. Here you can see the sector. This sector is having an angle 60 degree. So area of the sector formula everybody knows. What is area of the sector formula? It is theta by 360 into pi r square. Radius is also shown to us. So let us find out what is area of the sector. So we are going to find out using the formula. So let us substitute in the formula. That is the first question. Area of sector equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. We have seen theta is 60 degree by 360 degree into pi value we have to substitute because in the answer the values are given. So we have to substitute 22 by 7 into radius we have seen it is 6. So 6 into 6 we are calculating. So 60, 6 times it is. Again we have to cancel. We are getting 22 into 6 divided by 7 it is. So let us multiply 22 into 6. What do we get? 22 into 6 will be 132 divided by 7. 132 divided by 7. This is our option A. 132 divided by 7 is correct. That comes in cm square. Okay. Option A is correct. Now check the figure again. We have to go through the second question. You can see the second question now. What is the second question? If area of sector ODE, area of the sector is here ODE, ODE, this sector having angle X and radius will be the same as it is a part of the circle, same circle. So 6 centimeter is the radius. Area of the sector ODE is 2 by 9 times area of the circle. Then value of x is. So a relation is given to us. Area of the sector ODE is, that is theta by 360 into pi r square equal to 2 by 9 times area of the circle. Area of the circle we know it is pi r square. So that relation we have to write, we must substitute a value and find the value of x now. So let us do that. So that is question number 2. We are going to do question number 2. So in question number 2, it's given that area of the sector OD, that is theta by 360 into pi r square equal to 2 by 9 times area of the circle. 2 by 9 times pi r square it is. So pi r square and pi r square getting cancelled. Radius it is the same. So here instead of theta we have angle x. This x we have to find out. 2 by 9 as it is. Divide by 360 as into 360 on the other side. So how many times it is? 9 fours. So 40. Okay, 40 into 2 is 80. So just check the option. Question number 2, options 80 degree. Here you can see it is option D, 80 degree. Option D, x is equal to 80 degree is correct. Now we will go to third question. Check the third question. Area of an equilateral triangle. Here area of equilateral triangle OAB. You can see the figure. Area of an equilateral triangle OAB whose side is 8 cm. Side AB, OB and OA. All the 3 sides are equal. It is an equilateral triangle. So we have to find the area of equilateral triangle OAB whose side is 8 centimeter. Everybody knows the formula. What is the formula for finding area of equilateral triangle? That is, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So third question, we are going to write it is root 3 by 4 a square is equal to root 3 by 4 into side it is given as 8. So 8 into 8 a square. So 4 twos. 8 twos are 16 root 3 cm square. Check the option. Option C is correct. Option C, 16 root 3 cm square is correct. Now let us do the fourth question. Check the fourth question. Area of the shaded region ABDC. So here in the figure you can see the area of shaded region ABDC. This orange shaded region. How do we get that shaded region? Is it a part of equilateral triangle? This equilateral triangle from which we have to subtract area of sector having angle 60 degree. Area of sector OCD we have found out in the first question, that is 132 by 7 it is. Okay, that should be subtracted from area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle just now we found out in the third question, that is 16 root 3. So what will be our answer? From area of equilateral triangle, from 16 root 3, we have to subtract area of the sector. Area of the sector is 132 by 7. So option 1 is correct. So let us write it once, that is better. Let me write. It is okay. So fourth question, that is for the fourth question, that is area of equilateral triangle minus area of sector it is, that is area of equilateral triangle we have 16 root 3 cm square minus area of sector that comes in the first answer 132 by 7. Just check the option. Option fourth one, it is so many cm square. Okay, fourth answer also we got. It's very simple. Now we move on to question number 5. Ratio of areas of sector OCD. We have to find the ratio of area of sector OCD sector to the area of sector ODE. So areas ratio we have to find out. What is the area of the sector? It is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here it is again theta by 360 into pi r square. Radius is same. In the first case, sector is having radius 6 centimeter. Second case also, this sector OD having radius 6 centimeter. Whereas angles are different. Here it is 60 degree. Here x we have found out it is 80 degree. So ratio of area of sector OCD. First we have to write area of this divided by area of the sector ODE. Let us write that. That is question number 5. That is area of sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Let us write the first one as pi r1 square. It is the same actually, so we don't want to write r1 square. Theta 1 pi r square by 360. So divided by this r1 not necessary. This is the first area, that is area of OCD. Here theta by 360 into pi r square. Let us mark it as theta 1. This as theta 2. Divided by theta by 360. This is theta 2 by 360 into pi r square. So division means multiplication by the reciprocal. Theta 1 by 360 into pi r square multiplied by the reciprocal will be 360 by theta 2 into pi r square. Numerator becomes denominator here. Okay children, so here we have pi r square getting cancelled, 360 getting cancelled. theta 1 by theta 2, that is theta 1 is 60 degree, divide by 80 degree. 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. When we cancel, we'll be getting 3 2s by 20. If you cancel 3 into 20 60, 4 into 20 is 80. So 3 by 4, or required ratio is 3:4. Let us check the answer. 3:4 is option A. 3:4 is correct. Okay, this is how we have to do. Let us go through the second question. Here you have the second question. Okay, a group of friends ordered 2 pizzas for them. One of them was divided into 4 equal parts. You can see the first figure. Here we have pizza divided into 4 equal parts, while the other in 6 equal parts. The pizzas were served in pans exactly the same size of pizza, having diameter of 35 centimeter each. Pan is also having same size of the pizza. It is in the shape of circle. Both are equal size. Okay, its diameter is given as 35 centimeter. First one is divided into 4 equal part, whereas the second one is divided into 6 equal part. So diameter, we have to be careful. Diameter equal to 35 centimeter. So radius, we have to consider it as 35 by 2 centimeter. Okay, now let us see the first question. We'll read the first question. Area of the pan covered by one part of the pizza is. So, one part of the pizza. Area of the pan covered by one part of the pizza. That is one part of the pizza in 1. Pizza 1, let us take. Okay, for pizza 1, what is area of one part? How do we find out? It is 1/4 of the circle. Circle's area we can find out by using pi r square. So one part of the circle, that is 1/4 of the circle, is 1/4 into pi r square we have to calculate. So what do we get? 1/4 of pi r square. So let us calculate question number 1. Okay. First one, 1/4 of pi r square it is, that is equal to 1/4 into, you have to check the answer, it comes in decimal. So pi value here we have to use. So we have 1/4 into 22/7 into radius, I have marked here 35/2 radius square. So 35/2 again. So let us cancel and get the answer. So 2 cancel with the 22, 11 time, 7 1 time, 7 5s are 35. Again we cannot cancel anything. We get in the numerator 11 into 5 is 55 into 35. Denominator 8 we are getting. So by 8 again check, it is in decimal. So we have to multiply and find out the answer. So when we get 5 questions, you have to see which all questions are easy, how the answer comes. If it comes in decimal, better you avoid it and move to the next easiest question. Whatever it may be, here I have to find out. So 55 into 35, let us multiply, we will be getting the answer 35. So 5 7 2, okay, 5 6 1, add it now, 12 9 1925 divided by 8 it is. All of you have to do the calculation. 1925 by 8, 1925 divided by 8 it is. How many times? 2 times. 8 to 16, bring down 3 to 4 times. 8 4s are 32, 5. Again you cannot, so give the 0 and put the decimal. Okay, 6 times. 6 8s are 48. We have 2, 20. Now comes 2. 8 2s are 16, 4. 8 5s are 40. When we do this answer, children, so here you can see the 4 options. While starting with this Anyway, none of this is not there, so we can be very sure when we start with the answer 240. Again, you don't want to do the complete calculation because it carries only 1 mark and mark is meant only for the option. Okay, so calculation is an important point. So when we do this, starting with the calculation, you will be understanding that it is 240 point. Okay, when we start with 2 itself, only one number starting with the 2 here, so these numbers are not starting with the 2 and none of this option is also not there, therefore we can assume that this is the answer. So answer is 240.625. okay, so we have to write the option B, 240.625. no need of completing this type of calculation in the case study questions because only 1 mark for each one. So options are important. Now comes question number 2. Area of the pan covered by each part of the 2. That is this pan, you have to see the second pan. Okay, in which each part of this. So 6 parts are there. One part is only 1/6 of total area of the circle, 1/6 of pi r square. That is what here we have to find out. Okay, so 1/6 of pi r square, let us find out. That is for the second question. Yes. 1/6 of pi r square. Again we are finding out 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Okay, so same calculation comes. Instead of this, okay, by 11 it is 7 5 comes 11 into 5. Here you can see the first calculation. Yes, 11 into 5 you can see it is 55 into 35. 55 into 35 is 1925. Divide by 6 2s are 12. That is only one change. Now we have to divide and find out. 1925 divided by 12 it is. When we start with this, you will understand it is by 1 time. 1 2 we are getting. Continuing with this. Now check the answer, children. Second one, starting with the 1, only one answer we have, 160.42. Okay, so other answers are having 9, 4, 2, etc. So our answer is option A, 160.42. We will check it once. Okay, so when we subtract, we are getting 72. 6 times it is. 6 times we have 72. Okay, now always you save the time when you do the exam. Okay, 0 comes, decimals that we give. So 4 times it is 48 only. 20 comes. Now comes 4 2 times. 24, around 24. That means it goes on. So that is how we are getting 160 point. Second option 160.42. For 1 it may go on. Therefore 160.42 is your answer. Option A, it is 160.42 cm square. Okay. Now comes question number 3. Let us find out question number 3. The circumference of the pan is, you can see the third one. The circumference of the pan is, both the pans are having same circumference, same diameter or radius it has. So circumference formally is 2 pi r. So it has come in the value itself. So pi value you have to substitute and find out what is the circumference. Okay. So that's a simple question actually. So you can choose this question. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 35 by 2. So here we have cancelling like this. 22 into 5 is 110 centimeter. Now you check your answer for the third one. 110 centimeter. Option D is correct. Here it is. Option D is correct. Now comes question number 4. Okay. So for question number 4, ratio of the areas of two circles. Ratio of area of two circle when ratio of circumference is 3:1 will be. The ratio of area of two circle when ratio of circumference is 3:1. Ratios of the circumference. First one circumference by second one circumference. It is not of the span. It is some other different circles. Question is about different circles. Okay. So ratio of areas of two circles we have to find out. A1 by A2 we have to find out. Ratio of the circumference of two circles are given. They are different. Okay, so ratios of circumference C1 by C2 is given as 3 by 1. So let us do that. 2 pi R1, let it be, radius will be different circles. 2 pi R2, that is equal to 3 by 1 here. So 2 pi, it is the same, we can cancel. So we got it as R1 by R2 is equal to 3 by 1. Now we must find out A1 by A2, that is A1 is pi r square. A means area. Pi r1 square by pi r2 square. That's equal to pi getting cancelled. R1 by R2 whole square we can write. Okay. So because R1 square by R2 square is R1 by R2 whole square. R1 by R2 is available from the first one. From ratio of the circumference. That is 3:1. So R1 by R2 is 3 by 1 its square. What is its square? 3 square 9 and 1 square 1. 3 square, be careful, 3 into 3 it is 3 3 is 9. So required ratio A1 is to A2, A1 is to A2, that is equal to 9:1. Check the option children, 9:1. It is option A, 9:1 is correct. Okay. Now comes to fifth question. Check the fifth one. Here we have the fifth question. Yes. The area of the sector of the circle with the central angle 20 and radius 2r unit is given by. Area of sector of a circle. Any circle it may be having central angle 20 degree and radius 2r. Area sector formula everybody knows. Now here it is very important. Always you have to check the answer. It has come in pi r square form itself. So easy. Calculation is much easier. According to this question, among these 5 questions, first and second are little bit difficult because we are dividing and finding out the answer in decimal, whereas all other questions are easy. So you have to choose the 4 correct questions which are easier to you. Okay. So now comes the question, area of the sector. We can write it as theta by 360 into pi r square. Central angle is given as 20 degree. 20 by 360 into pi into radius is given as 2r. So radius square means 2r whole square you have to write. So cancel it children. So we are getting 18 in the denominator. So 1 by 18 pi into 2 2s are 4 r square. Okay. Again you can cancel 2 times. Here it is 9 times. Check the answer. We have 2 by 9 pi r square. Which is the correct option? Option D is correct. It is 2 by 9 pi r square. Option D, 2 by 9 pi r square. Hope you understood. Bye.